The 2025 Mazda CX-5 arrives with a Euro New Car Assessment Program safety rating that clearly reflects Mazda's dedication to building secure and reassuring vehicles. The results show high performance across multiple categories, with adult occupant protection at 90%, child occupant protection at 89%, vulnerable road user protection at 93%, and safety assist performance at 83%. These scores illustrate a balanced and well-developed compact sport utility vehicle. During frontal and side crash tests, the passenger compartment stayed stable and maintained good or adequate protection for most essential body regions. Even in more demanding impacts, such as the side pole test and far side movement, where occupants can shift toward one another, the Mazda CX-5 demonstrated strong airbag performance and solid control of occupant motion. Whiplash protection at the front and rear seats also showed positive results, which becomes especially meaningful in real traffic conditions. Child occupants benefit from simple restraint installation and an intelligent airbag control system that automatically switches off the front passenger airbag when a proper child seat is detected. This type of built-in convenience matters for families who manage daily routines and prioritize safety. Pedestrians and cyclists are supported by the Smart Brake Support System, which reacted effectively in a wide range of scenarios. It also showed strong performance for motorcyclist protection, which is an area where many vehicles still face challenges. Rounding out the package is a set of safety assist technologies, including lane keeping support, accurate speed limit recognition, and driver monitoring that identifies fatigue or distraction. If you enjoy learning about new vehicle safety performance, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.